Want to make $100 a day using AI, even if you've never written a single line of code? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy and real ways people are using AI to make money online in 2025. No tech skills, no big investment, just smart tools and some hustle. Part 1, AI-powered freelancing. Let's start with AI freelancing. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork are filled with people making money by offering AI-generated services like content writing, resume writing, and product descriptions. Use ChatGPT to generate content, then polish it and deliver it to clients. You can charge $20 to $50 per gig, and all it takes is good prompts and editing. Part 2, selling AI art and products. Next, AI-generated art. Use tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create unique art, logos, or print designs. Then sell them on Etsy, Redbubble, or even your own Shopify store. One creator made over $5,000 in 3 months just selling AI-generated t-shirt designs. Part 3, create and sell ebooks. Want passive income? Try ebooks. Use ChatGPT to generate content, design it with Canva, and publish on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. You can write how-to guides, niche cookbooks, or simple motivational books, and earn money for months from a single upload. Part 4, YouTube script writing and automation. Here's one you're watching right now, YouTube automation. Use AI to write scripts, add voiceover with 11 Labs, and create videos using Canva or CapCut. You can run faceless channels and still earn from ads, sponsors, and affiliate links. Part 5, build micro-niche websites with AI. AI can also help you build websites. Use tools like KoalaWriter or WriteSonic to create blog content in seconds. Pair it with a free WordPress theme, add Google Ads, and boom, passive ad revenue. Realistic income breakdown. Now you won't make $100 overnight, but stack 2 or 3 of these methods, and you absolutely can reach that goal. Start with freelancing or YouTube automation. As you grow, add ebooks or websites for passive income. Making money with AI is no longer science fiction, it's real, and it's happening right now. Which method are you going to try first? Leave a comment and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow EarnSmart USA for more AI money-making hacks every week.